If you're someone who loves to stay connected with the latest trends and technologies, then this gaming desk is going to blow your mind. Desktop is made of tempered glass. All it takes is a quick wipe and it's as good as new. It also takes things to a whole new level with RGB magic lights. The moment you turn it on, you'll be mesmerized by the visual impact it creates. Headphone hook and cup holder are easy accessible. On the right side of the table is a stylish side table adorned with beautiful green plants and a sleek Bluetooth alarm clock. The high-quality solid wood and a realistic fireplace effect create a cozy atmosphere. It also comes with a heating function that keeps warm during those long gaming sessions. On the left side of the setup is the shelf perfect for storing the keyboard, game controller, VR glasses, and other essential items. And the third layer is perfect height for PC. So enjoy the final result.